In this video, I'm gonna give you a quick fix on how you can drastically improve your travel photos. The mistake I see a lot of people doing is that they're just walking around with the camera, trying to catch things they see, like this. The problem with this, you will usually be too late. The focus is gonna be off. The shutter speed is gonna be too slow. Framing's no good. A lot of problems that can come with this. But of course, sometimes this pays off. I'm not saying you should stop doing this, but most of the time these will only be snapshots. Try this. Find a nice frame where the light is working for you. Compose the shot, do a few test shots, adjust, do another test shot, then wait for something to happen in your frame. Someone will walk into your frame, but it can take a while, especially to get the right one. And if nothing happens and you're up for it, just stop someone interesting and ask them to walk in your frame. This is how you can get great shots, great travel shots. Walking and trying to catch stuff rarely does that. So go out and try it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.